Welcome to the future of e-commerce photography. Are you tired of spending hours and thousands of dollars on professional photo shoots for your online store? Say hello to WeShop AI, an AI-powered creative studio that makes it incredibly easy to create stunning product and model images in just a few clicks. Whether you're a small business owner, a fashion retailer, or a beginner in e-commerce, WeShop AI helps you produce professional visuals without needing models, studios, or expensive equipment. In this video, we'll introduce WeShop AI, explore its powerful features, and show you 3 simple examples of creating images to elevate your brand. Let's get started. WeShop AI, launched by Mogu in April 2023, is a revolutionary platform designed for e-commerce businesses. Powered by advanced AI technology like Stable Diffusion, it allows you to create high-quality product images and videos without the hassle of traditional photo shoots. Here's what makes it stand out. 1. AI-generated models. Choose from over 200 diverse virtual models of different nationalities, ages, and gender identities. To showcase your products, no need to hire real models. 2. Customizable backgrounds. Transform a single product image into a portfolio with hundreds of indoor and outdoor scenes, like beaches or modern studios. 3. Advanced editing tools. Features like background removal, relighting, and image enhancement let you create professional visuals with ease. 4. Cost-effective and fast. Traditional photo shoots can cost up to 2% of your sales, but WeShop AI offers plans starting at $12.99 per month, plus a free trial with 200 points, about 20 images. With over a million users worldwide, WeShop AI is trusted by merchants on platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy to create visuals that drive sales. Let's explore the features that make WeShop AI a game changer. AI Model Agent. Generate realistic models in under 60 seconds. Customize poses or reuse models for consistent branding. AI Product Shooting. Upload a product image, and WeShop AI suggests trending scenes based on the product type. Background removal and magic eraser. Remove distractions or swap backgrounds to match your brand style. Image Enhancer. Upscale images to 4 Kelvin for sharp details. Ideal for products like jewelry or clothing. Video Creation. Turn static images into dynamic videos with natural model movements for social media or ads. WeShop AI's interface is beginner-friendly, with tutorials to guide you. While some advanced features may require practice, the basics are simple enough for anyone to master. Why use WeShop AI? Boost sales. High-quality visuals attract customers and increase conversions. Save time and money. Create portfolios 10x faster than traditional methods at a fraction of the cost. Versatility. Customize images for platforms like Instagram, Shopify, or Amazon with over 200 location templates. Brand consistency. Reuse AI-generated models for a cohesive look across campaigns. Free trial. Start with 200 free computing PowerPoints to create about 20 images. WeShop AI is perfect for small businesses, startups, or large retailers looking to stand out in e-commerce. Let's walk through 3 simple examples of creating images with WeShop AI. First, let's make an image for a casual t-shirt for Instagram. Here's how. Log into WeShop AI and upload a clear t-shirt photo. 1. Click AI Model, then click New Task. Upload the image. 2. Choose a model. Go to the AI Model Agent, browse the model shop, and select a young male model with a casual vibe. 3. Pick a background. In the location shop, choose an urban street scene from the city category. 4. Generate. Click Generate button to start. 5. Download. Save the 4 Kelvin image for a professional Instagram post. In just a few minutes, you've created a vibrant t-shirt image that grabs attention. Next, let's create an image for a dress for your shop. Here's the process. 1. Upload the image. Upload a high-resolution dress photo to WeShop AI. 2. Select a model. In the model shop, choose a female model with an elegant style. 3. Choose a background. Pick a background. 4. Generate. Click Generate button to start. 5. Download. Save the image. Ready for your shop. This quick process creates a stunning dress image that stands out. No photo shoot needed. Example 3. Creating a product image for the jeans. Finally, let's create an image for a jeans for your Shopify store. Here's how. 1. Upload the image. Upload a clear photo of the jeans to WeShop AI. 2. Select a model. Choose a young, adventurous model from the model shop to match the shop. 3. Choose a background. Select a background. 4. Generate. Click Generate button to start. 5. Download. Save the image for your Shopify listing. In minutes, you've got a professional jeans image that screams adventure. New to WeShop AI. Try these tips. Start with the free trial to explore AI model and product shooting features. Check the WeShop AI blog and help center for tutorials. Use clear prompts like Modern Studio or No Hats to refine results. Save favorite models and scenes for quick reuse. WeShop AI is revolutionizing e-commerce with affordable, high-quality visuals. Sign up at www.weshop.ai for 200 free points and start creating today. Thanks for watching, and let's make your product shine.